y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls yayyyyyy here, and I'm back with another freaking nail video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. So for this video, you guys, I wanted to do like a story time, a story time type of video, sis. So I'm gonna tell you guys a story time about how I fell through the floor at a party. Are y'all ready? Because this story kind of crazy. But first, I want to tell you guys kind of like along with the story what I'm doing to my nails. So right now I'm shaping them. I already applied the tips, and next, well, not next, like this section is basically nail prep. So I'll talk to you guys back about the nails when we get back to the application part. Okay? Period. Alright, y'all, so let's take it back to 2019? I don't know. Last year. No, last year's 2020. Yeah, right? Anyway, let's take it to last school year. I had a whole bunch of friends. So we're gonna name my friends. We got, let's see. We're gonna name them M, S, J, and K. Boom. Let me just give you the first letter. Period. It can't say too much. So every weekend, J, S, K, and M, we used to all go to the parties. Do y'all hear me? We used to party every freaking weekend. Like, no kids app every freaking weekend. So we decided, okay, y'all, we gonna go to a party. It's a party close to campus. Bada boom, bada bang. We didn't really have to drive anywhere. So that was the best part. So we went ahead and decided that we were going to go to a party that was close to campus, and that's exactly what we did. Period. Alright, y'all, quick little side note right here. I'm using the clear polygel from my Inside Brave kit, or Brave Inside nail kit, and I'm also going to use this white rosiland polygel to create a marble on the next couple nails. Here I just did a clear nail. And yeah, like if you guys see my previous video, which I'll link up in the cards, yeah, the Brave kit, it was just, the clear just was a little too murky for me. But let's get right back into the freaking story time. So like I said, S, J, K, and M and I all decided that we were going to go to a party on campus. And y'all, this party was at a house. Do you hear me? This party was at a freaking house. So we was litty 5,000. No apartment party. Like, y'all know them apartment parties be cramped too. But we didn't have an apartment party. It was an actual house. And them actual house parties be lit. No kids at. Boom. So the party was like 2 minutes. Like, it was basically on campus, y'all. It was right there. So I think that, who was it? I think me and Kay started walking up to the party first, while J and M maybe went to go park their car. So it was like real quick. So we ended up meeting up
basically
in front of the
with
house.
all the colors
And
that I
when we
mentioned
got up to
before.
the house, y'all, this house was slam slizzle packed. Do you hear me? Like music jumping, boom, 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 boom. Okay, music is just jumping. So let me tell y'all. So we went ahead, we go in, and I'm going to explain it to you guys. So when you first go up to the house, there's a porch. When you go through the front door, there's a room to the right. And people were in there, but you could barely hear the music. And then there's a room to the left. That's where everybody was at. And then if you go straight back, that was the kitchen where they had the jungle juice. If y'all don't know what jungle juice is, you're too young. But anyway, they had jungle juice. And this is not me telling you to go drink jungle juice, because you don't need to if you're underage, period. So, the party jumping to the room to the left. So guess where we going? To the room to the left. So we going to the left, period. So I go to the left. They had me lead the way per usual because I was the party goer. I knew what the word was. I knew what to say at the front door to go ahead and get up in that party, period. So I go to the left side, and we holding hands, and I go first. S is behind me, and K is behind her. I'm not even sure if S and M were there. I think they were maybe like in the hallway going to the room to the left, like they weren't in the room. But for sure, Me, S, and K were in the room, y'all.
And my
so the
pinky
DJ
finger,
is like,
and literally just doing
y'all,
the
this
exact
room
same
is
thing.
packed. And side note, this was like, I think this was pre-corona. This had to have been pre-corona. So they was to the room to the we was in a room to the left. We's partying. We's, you know, if you've been to a party, you know. If you've been to a college party, you already know. Period. You know how we gets down. Period. So, y'all, this is the tea. This is the part y'all been waiting for. And it's only 5 minutes in, and that means I need to speed this video up. Okay? So, we get to the room to the left hand side. And this, let me tell y'all what happened. So I'm standing kind of close to the middle. S is standing close to the middle. K is kind of a little bit closer to the wall though. And there's this boy who comes over and he's in my area with a drink. And I'm feeling kind of like, but even before Corona, I never liked when people were close by me. But he was close by me. So y'all, all I know is they started playing Megan. Simon says, put your hands on your hips. Simon says, put your hands on your knees. Simon says, bust that up like a friend. Left, right. Okay, y'all get the point. That song came on. And you know, everybody trying to get lit. And I feel the floor wobbling. The floor been wobbling, y'all. So, soon as that, left, left, bro, the whole floor fell. The whole floor fell in. I'm about to see if I have the video on my phone when we fell through the floor, like when I was talking about it. Y'all, we fell through. Like, I was screaming. And the boy beside me, his drink spilled. It got in my eyes burning, lashes coming off. I'm screaming, y'all, the whole time. I'm out the hole. Y'all, Eslam fell in the hole. Somebody had to pull her up. Y'all, when I tell y'all we walked out that party so quick, police came a little bit after. Like, it was just ridiculous. Like, how do you fall through the floor at the party? It just gave me PTSD after that, because every time I went to an apartment party and the floor was shaking, you already know, I was feeling some kind of way. I had to move. Had to get out the way. Had to move. But yeah, y'all, that is the quick little story time about how I fell through the floor at the party last school year. And it was redonkulous. But yeah, that's a little story time. So now, y'all, I'm about to just go ahead and explain to y'all how I do these nails. So keep on watching. Y'all, I don't know how I just turned this video into 12 minutes, but I did. But what I did before was just swirl the two colors of polygel together to kind of create a marble effect. And here you see me use my 180 grit file, and I'm filing these nails to my liking. And I'm going to use my Melody Susie e-file to as well file these nails to my liking, and that's on period. I ended up doing the other hand the same night, y'all. I was so tired because, quite frankly, I didn't really like how these kind of came out. I felt like the clear just looked kind of murky, like you couldn't really tell it was marble. Also, I feel like I could have used, I don't know, I feel like I could have used maybe a nude, did a nude at the nail bed and did that. So yeah, but here I'm using my sanding bit to file the nails, and then I'm going to use my safety bit as well. And I'm no professional whatsoever, so don't think I'm just this professional, because we already know I'm not. But this is what the nails are looking like. They actually turned out so cute. I actually really like them. And then I added the blingy bling bling, baby. That blingy bling bling, baby. Took that thing to the next level. And that's on period. Here's the safety bit that I used. And yeah, it just helps seal that cuticle area for you. Period. I know you guys just seen those nails. They were so stinking cute. period per point blank period. Here you see me going ahead and adding these diamonds. And if you guys are wondering where I get these diamonds from, AliExpress, baby, only $2 a pack. I use the larger size diamonds in the middle, and then I use the smaller ones around, and this took forever, y'all. Also, the pen that I'm using to apply the diamonds came from AliExpress as well. So period, I should do another nail AliExpress nail haul. And this is my Marquette top coat. This is the top coat I'm using to apply the diamonds, and I'm also going to add a little bit of nail glue. Period.
Like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? I've been moving, kinda start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I can see clearly when you're on myself. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't. Get into it. Wonder why they bitch in the day me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with Besties. I'm go fucking